Dear students, now we are going to start Unit 4 Quadratic Equations. What do we mean by quadratic equation? First of all, let us make it clear. Any 2-degree equation, an equation having 2 degree is known as quadratic equation. But what is the difference between a quadratic equation and polynomial? Dear students, right now this equation is known as quadratic polynomial, but when we equate it with 0, then it will become a quadratic equation. So I hope it is clear to you. If it is written just like this, then it is a quadratic polynomial, but if we will equate it by a 0, then we will call it as a quadratic equation. Now dear students, in this chapter, where do we use this chapter, quadratic equations, in our day-to-day life? So let me tell you, wherever you have to find out 2 dimensions, like in case of a rectangular plot, if you want to find out length and breadth, then you can use quadratic equations. In case of 2 people carrying something, you can use these quadratic equations. So wherever you have to find out 2 things, this chapter can be used, and the 2 things are in relation to each other. So, and in this chapter, dear students, we will learn 3 methods to find out the solution of a 2-degree equation known as quadratic equation. As it is a 2-degree equation, so we will get 2 values of, because 2 degree is there, so that is why we will get 2 solutions for this equation. 2 solutions means 2 values of the variable. 2 values of the variable. If the variable used is x, then 2 values of x, and as you know that we call these values as zeros also, right? So whatever is the degree of the equation, we'll get the same number of solution. जितनी डिग्री होती है उतने ही हमें सॉल्यूशन मिलते हैं. And let us see what is A. Dear students, A is considered as the coefficient of x square. B is the coefficient of x. C is the constant term. And the quadratic equation is always written in the descending order of the power. Here x raised power 2 is there, then x raised power 1, then x raised power 0. But because anything raised power 0 is 1, so we do not represent x raised power 0 here. So 2, 1, 0. So I hope it is clear to you. And now to solve the quadratic equation, we are going to learn 3 methods in this chapter, dear students. So the first method, you all are familiar to this. This is splitting middle term method. Splitting middle term method. You all know, you all are aware about this. You learned this method in 8th class. Then splitting middle term method. Second is completing square method. Completing square method. This is the second method to solve the quadratic equation. And third method is quadratic formula. We call it as quadratic formula. So dear students, we'll study 3 methods to solve, to get the solution of a quadratic equation. And if you will read from your book, you will be able to see who have found out these formulas. In fact, Brahmaputra gave an explicit formula to solve a quadratic equation of the form, and later on many more Indian mathematicians, Sridharacharya ji, derived a formula now known as quadratic formula. So it is given by the Indian mathematician Sridharacharya ji for solving, as quoted by Bhaskara too. He is called as Bhaskara too for solving a quadratic equation by method of completing square also. So let us start the chapter. So dear students, we will learn 3 methods to solve. One is splitting middle term, you all are aware. second completing square method, and third is quadratic formula. But before moving on towards this chapter, let us discuss some of the algebraic identities first of all, and you have to note down all the identities in your notebook also before starting the chapter and learn all those identities. So let's start the identities. So dear students, here are the algebraic identities. Very first of all, a plus b whole square. What is the identity? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Then a minus b square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square minus b square. Here whole square is there and here individual. So a plus b into a minus b. Then cubic identities are there. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. And when we will multiply this, we will use the distributive property. We'll get the expanded form a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Similarly here a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. When we will open this bracket, we will get this formula. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus plus. Then individual cubes. A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. 2 is not there, remember. And a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So note down these algebraic identities in your notebook. That will help you in this chapter if required. So let us start 4.1 exercise now. So dear students, in 4.1 exercise, as you can see in this exercise, let us read the first question. What is the first question? Check whether the following are quadratic equations. हमें चेक करना है quadratic equation है या नहीं है. So dear students, first of all you have to solve the complete equation by applying the algebraic identity and then combine the like terms, and then you have to see if the highest degree of the equation is 2, then we will say yes, it is a quadratic equation, otherwise no. So here x plus 1 whole square means we will use a plus b whole square identity. We will use this identity a plus b whole square. So first of all solve it. So a x square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1, and multiply this also, then combine the like terms. Similarly multiply these two. Here whole square negative is there, whole cube is there. So we will first we will apply the identities, then we will combine the like terms, then we will answer that whether it is a quadratic equation or not. And dear students, this question comes for 1 mark in your exam. This question will be asked for 1 mark in terms of MCQ. You can get few options, so mark this question as 1 mark question. Okay, so let us start. So dear students, this is the first part, 4.1 first part. So a plus b whole square, we will use the identity first of all. So which identity we are going to use? We will write it here, a plus b whole square, because plus sign and whole square is there. So identity is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we will apply this identity first of all and then we will solve. So in place of a x is there, in place of b 1 is there. So let us apply. A square means x square plus b square means 1 square plus 2 into x into 1 is equal to right hand side distributive property 2 into x 2x plus minus 2 3s are 6. Now x square plus 1 square is 1, 2 1s are 2 into x 2x is equal to 2x minus 6. So as on the opposite side of equal to, if the same sign is there, we can cancel out. प्लस 2x क्योंकि अपोजिट साइड है तो साइन सेम होने चाहिए. अगर सेम साइड होती है तो साइन अपोजिट होनी चाहिए. सो वी विल लेफ्ट विद एक्स स्क्वायर plus 1, and again this is a constant term. Let us take it to the left hand side. It will become plus 6 is equal to 0. So we'll get x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So dear students, as you can see, the highest degree to this equation is 2. So we will say yes, this is a quadratic equation, right? So in this way, I hope it is clear to you. First of all solve it, then answer. And if you will have only the square term, if do not have other two terms, no need to worry, then also it will be a quadratic equation. Okay, but the highest degree should be 2. So dear students, do second part, try second part yourself. Now let us see the third part. I am going to solve 2-3 parts in front of you. Do the remaining parts yourself. So again, two brackets are there. Let us multiply them. First of all, x is going to be multiplied by complete bracket, then minus 2. So x into x is x square plus x into 1 is x minus plus minus, or you can do the method like this. First x will multiplied by the complete bracket, this, then minus 2 is going to be multiplied by this. So now distribute x into x, x square, x into 1x plus minus minus 2 into x 2x minus plus minus 2 ones are 2. Similarly on right hand side, first of all we'll multiply x by the complete bracket, then minus 1 will be multiplied by the complete bracket, then distribute x square plus 3 into x 3x minus plus minus 1 into xx minus plus minus 1 3s are 3. So now let us check the like terms. दिस इज स्क्वायर टर्म, दिस इज स्क्वायर टर्म, दोनों का कोफिशिएंट 1 है, मीन्स एग्जैक्टली सेम. दिस इज ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ इक्वल टू, दिस इज ऑन राइट हैंड साइड, तो साइड अपोजिट है तो साइन सेम होना चाहिए. दिस इज पॉजिटिव, वी कैन कैंसल आउट. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस केस एज यू कैन सी, नो अदर टर्म इज लेफ्ट विद 2 डिग्री. 2 डिग्री की इक्वेशन बची ही नहीं है हमारे पास, 2 डिग्री कैंसिल हो गया, तो नो नीड टू सॉल्व इट फर्दर. कर भी सकते हैं, यू कैन डू इट, सॉल्व इट फर्दर, बट आप देख रहे हैं कि 2 डिग्री वाला कोई टर्म बचा ही नहीं है. सो वी विल राइट द आंसर एज नो, दिस इज नॉट अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, राइट? So if you want to solve it further, we can solve it. Like terms, 1x minus 2x, this is minus x minus 2, 3x minus x is 2x minus 3. Again combine the like terms, minus x minus 2x is equal to minus 3 plus 2. So we'll get minus 3x is equal to minus 1. Means it is not a 2 degree equation, so no, this is not a quadratic equation. So similarly, try the remaining parts also. So dear students, now I am solving 7th part. Here x plus 2 whole cube. Whole cube is there. So we will use the identity a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So in place of x we have a, in place of 2 we have b. ठीक है, तो हम पुट करेंगे तो a cube means x cube. So x cube plus b cube, what is b? 2 cube plus 3a square b, 3a, what is a? X square, 3a square is there, so we will write square into b means 2, then plus 3a, what is a? X into b square means 2 square, right? So this is our left hand side. On right hand side we will use distributive property. 2x multiplied by x square, x into x square, x cube, 2x cube plus minus minus 2x into 1 is 2x. So let us solve it. X cube plus 2 cube is 8 plus 3 2s are 6 x square plus 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12x is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. So now let us combine the like terms. This is cube, x cube, this is x cube. Let us combine them. Either you take this to left hand side or you take this to right hand side. Wherever you want to take, you can take them. So x cube minus 2x cube, right? Then plus 6x square, square वाली term लिख लेंगे पहले cube then square, then x वाली term x raised पर 1 वाली, so we'll take it to this side, it will become 2x is it, then plus 8 is equal to 0. So 1x cube minus 2x cube, 1 minus 2 कितना मिलेगा, minus 1x cube plus 6x square, 12 plus 2 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. So no other like term is left. Now let us check the degree of this equation. Highest degree 3, 2, 1, 0. So highest degree is 3. So what is the answer? The answer is no. It is not a quadratic equation. So I hope it is clear to you. So dear students, now 8th part, last part, one more part. This is carrying a minus b whole cube means x minus 2 whole cube. So in place of a we have x, in place of b we have not minus 2. I taught you this thing in your 9th class, when you have to take minus and when not. So minus plus, so means b की value हमारे पास 2 है, right? So we will put this identity. So left hand side will remain same. And this is the identity a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b, और जहाँ पर b square है वो पॉजिटिव मीन्स फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट टर्म इज पॉजिटिव और बीच वाली दो नेगेटिव है. सो लेट अस यूज दिस आइडेंटिटी. a क्यूब मीन्स x क्यूब माइनस b क्यूब मीन्स 2 क्यूब माइनस 3a square. what is a x square into b? what is b? 2 प्लस 2. हाउ प्लस 2? माइनस माइनस प्लस, तो b की वैल्यू प्लस 2 लेंगे. प्लस 3 what is a? again x into b square means 2 square. So let us solve it. Let us write the left hand side as it is, because no like term is there, no expanded form we have to solve. So let us solve the right hand side first. So x cube minus 2 cube is 8, 3 2 is 6 x square plus 2 square is 4, 3 is 12x. So dear students, now in this case as you can see, here the coefficient of x cube is 1, here again the coefficient of x cube is 1. Both are positive and on left hand side and right hand side, opposite side, same sign, we can cancel them. So now let us solve them further. Minus 4x square, let us combine the like terms, plus 6x square. Then minus x minus 12x plus 1, when it will go to left hand side it will become plus 8 is equal to 0. So 6 minus 4 you will get 2x square, minus minus plus but minus लेंगे, 1 plus 12 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. So what is the degree of this equation? 2. So we will call it as a quadratic equation. So we will write yes, it is a quadratic equation because the degree of equation is 2. So I hope it is clear to you. So do complete first question of 4.1 exercise in your notebook. Okay, and this is very important also for 1 mark.